Is your 2011-2016 Volvo S60 key fob not working? A dead battery is the likely culprit and easily fixed. You'll typically need a 3-volt CR2032 lithium coin cell battery, costing around $2 to $5. You will also need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. To start, locate the seam on your key fob, usually at the base or side. Gently pry it open, separating the two halves. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation, as the positive side needs to face up. Insert the new CR2032 battery. Snap the fob back together. Test its functionality by locking and unlocking your car. If it doesn't work, you might need to reset it in the car's ignition. If the key fob still doesn't function after replacing the battery, double-check the battery polarity. Reversing it is a common mistake. If that's not the issue, a simple ignition reset may be needed. To do this, insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on position for 10 minutes. Also, be aware that cheap batteries can sometimes damage the internal circuits, so using a quality brand like Duracell or Panasonic is recommended. While key fobs are generally water resistant, avoid moisture when replacing the battery. For environmental reasons, recycle your old batteries. If problems persist, a dealership visit might be required, but this DIY fix can save you $50 to $100 in service fees. With the rise of digital key options, physical fobs may become obsolete by 2030.